Hey kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn bird's name with the help of this mind-blowing puzzle. Okay, let's start. First, I take this bird. What is this? It is a crane. It is a crane. Let's put it into the howl. Yes, it is a bird which name is crane. Next, I take peacock. Peacock. Where should I put peacock? Here. No. Here. No. Here. It is a right place for that. It is a peacock. Next bird, it is a pigeon. Pigeon. Where should put pigeon? Here. No. Here. Oh yes kids, it is the right place for pigeon. Next bird, it is a parrot. Look kids, it is a parrot. Let's put it into the howl. Parrot. Next, it is a hornbill. It is a hornbill. Let's put it here into the howl. Here. No. No. Oh yes kids, it is the right place for the hornbill. Next, what is this? I think you know very well kids. It is a cock. It is a cock. Let's put it into the howl. Yes, it is a cock. Next bird, it is a swan. Swan. Let's put it here into the right howl. Here. No. Here. No. Here. Oh yes kids, here. Swan. Next bird, it is a sparrow. Sparrow. Let's put it into the howl. Yes. Sparrow. It is a woodpecker. Yes kids, it is a woodpecker. Yes, I put it here. It is the right place for that woodpecker. Next, it is a owl. Owl. Let's put it here. Owl. Next, it is an eagle. Eagle. I'll have left only one place, so let's put it here. Eagle. Eagle. Sparrow. Owl. Woodpecker. Crane. Swan. Pigeon. Parrot. Peacock. Hornbill. Cock. Okay, thank you kids. Don't forget like the video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.